You guys have all seen the crazy difference in how mouth breathing can affect your facial structure. If you don't want to be looking like this, then you need to be breathing through your nose more. However, if you're like me, you might have a thickened sinus lining, which makes it a lot harder to breathe fully just through your nose. That's why I bought this sleep kit from Sleepflow. In this one kit, you not only get mouth tape, but you also get nasal tape. The nasal tape is an absolute game changer, and since using this every night, I feel like I can get so much more oxygen through my nose and don't need to mouth breathe. Stupidly, I bought mine when it wasn't on sale and it was over a tenner, and now it's literally only £8. It comes with a whole month's worth, so you definitely should try giving this a go.